Hey, it's Dr. D, Surgeon with a Gun. This video goes in a new category, kind of the thank you category, the unsolicited thank you category. I pulled my Glock 19 out of the safe the other day. I don't really shoot this thing very often. And I found that I'd buggered up the front sight, probably sticking it in a holster into which it did not really fit. And it has a nice AmeriGlo sight on it that has a tritium vial with a surrounding little fluorescent bit that helps you pick it up in either light or, dark conditions. So I basically chipped off that fluorescent piece. So at first I buggered around with nail polish trying to kind of fake it. And then I figured this looks like crap. I'm going to go ahead and email the people at AmeriGlo and see what possibilities there are. I figured, well, before I get to that, let me show you, I'm going to show you in the next little video bit the actual condition of the site and what AmeriGlo did, which actually surprised me. I didn't really expect it. So here you see my Glock 19, and you can see I only replaced the front sight. But in this case, the front sight has lost the fluorescent placard that goes around the tritium vial. You see my pathetic attempt to fake it with a little bit of nail polish. But this thing really doesn't shoot very well right now. Shoots a little bit low because you can't see that bottom yellow line when you're lining it up very well. So nevertheless, I emailed the people at AmeriGlo figuring maybe they'll give me a discount so I can buy another one at a break, because this thing's 3 years old. And to my surprise, they said, oh, just fill out our form and we'll send you a new sight under warranty. So I was pleasantly surprised. I'm waiting for that. I'll show you a picture of the installed sight once I put the new one back in. But again, I didn't ask them for anything, nor did I tell them I was going to do any kind of favorable review. They just up and gave me a new one on warranty. So I'm definitely going to look at the AmeriGlo people favorably if I need a new sight. Okay, here's the new sight. This is the container it came in. As you can see, now we have the fluorescent piece and the tritium vial in place. And for the sake of comparison, here's the old one without the fluorescent piece. Picks up much better with the fluorescent piece, of course. Thanks to AmeriGlo. I didn't expect you to give me a free one, but I'll happily say thank you and see you next time. Take care, everybody.